So now it's time to start talking about some of the products that you are going to be using on this journey here. LaVivid has decided to make this video part of the e-course to help you understand some of the things that you may need along your journey that you may or may not think or know about. So this will be a comprehensive list of some of the things that you're going to be needing in each of the facets of using a hair system. So the first thing that you're going to need is a LaVivid hair system. In order to cut that down to size, if you're not using a pre-cut unit, you will need to get some clear tape, like a packing tape, some saran wrap, a marker to draw on the actual system to create your template, and some scissors to cut down the template which you make. Now, in order to cut down the hair system itself, you will either need some razors like a box cutter or a high quality pair of scissors that you can get from a beauty supply store. Either of these will work. I'll show you later in this e-course how to cut down a hair system. Now, I'll be showing you how to do it with a box cutter type razor, but I will also explain how you can go about doing it with a pair of scissors another way.